everybody, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Angeline. I am the owner of Angelic Creations. So today we will be putting together a lighter box, and I also have some vinyl that I will be covering up my lighter with. And this is a big lighter, and I also have my template. So I made some Grinch lighters for Christmas, so I did not throw this away. I will be using this for my template so that I can trace it out on the vinyl. So I'm going to do that first. Go ahead and line this up. I'm going to go ahead and cut this out. Okay, perfect. So once you have cut out your template, now you can go ahead and place that on your lighter. Just going to start from the top and then work my way down to the bottom. Just smoothing it out as I go down. And now our lighter is covered with some permanent vinyl. Now we can go ahead and assemble our box. Now, when I cut this box out using my Cricut machine, it did create the score lines. So this is what I'm bending. I'm bending at the score lines, so that it's easier to put together. Okay, so now we're ready to glue our box together. This is our bottom, and then this is our top with the little cuts on the side, like so. So I'm gonna start from the bottom. I'm gonna tuck this little flap in first. I figure if I do that first, then I won't have to worry about it. Okay, so that bottom is down, and only thing that I will have to do now is make sure that these two pieces line up here. So making sure that this edge right here lines up with this edge here. And you can glue that part down if you wanted to, the bottom part, but I don't think that is necessary. So I'm gonna skip that step. So I'm just placing a little hot glue along the side. Again, make sure that everything is aligned. Now, so we can go ahead and place our lighter on the inside and close up the box. And this is what we're left with. Super cute, easy to work with, not bad at all. I will definitely be creating more of these, of course. So if you all give it a try, make sure you tag me. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you love the video, make sure you share with your family and friends. But stay tuned, we do have plenty more videos coming soon. Bye.